Healthcare workers from all over the country are heading to New York City to help with the coronavirus, and 2 school nurses from San Antonio are part of that group. They both work in Southwest ISD. Now, this is a picture of Christy Schoenfelter, a nurse at Meadow Creek Elementary, and Yanira Tovar from McAuliffe Middle School. They're in New York City. The district says both nurses signed up to help and were called almost immediately to head there.